If you want to see the most defined wash and go using the Aunt Jackie's grapeseed collection, then keep watching.
What you tell when you are buying new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a wash and go. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's new grapeseed collection. I know I'm looking kind of crazy right now because I just washed my hair. It's still wet. I used the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coil Power Wash from the grapeseed collection. And I also used the Aunt Jackie's Rescue Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. Both products are from the grapeseed collection. I already have a wash day routine using these products. And I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box. Like I said, I just washed my hair, still wet. Yeah, I'm gonna, girl, listen, that thirst quenching conditioner is heaven. It makes my hair super soft without me applying leave-in or moisturizer or anything. If only you guys could feel my hair right now. Gosh. Do y'all like my shirt? I already showed these shirts in previous videos, but I just love them. Let's decide what products we will be using today. As you can see, my Aunt Jackie's section looks a little empty, so those are the products I'll be using today. First, I'm gonna be starting off with the Aunt Jackie's Grape Style and Shine Recipes Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Spray. Setting mousse settings. Maybe I only needed one pump. Yeah, only one pump. Now I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curl Glossy Curling Jelly. My favorite part. I've been so excited to use this. I don't know if I should just use my fingers or I should, let me see how it is with the brush. Let's see how it works with the brush. I guess I'll just use my fingers. I'm just gonna be adding a little of the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Soft All Over multi-purpose oil just to seal in everything. I know it's not from the grapeseed collection, but I just needed some type of oil, and it's from the Aunt Jackie's company, so why not use it? I just needed oil to seal in everything. So like I mentioned in previous videos, I have like 2 to 3 different hair type, hair texture, whatever you call it. So the back is more loose than the middle, and the front is more loose than the side. Yeah, it's a whole lot going on, but either way, I love my hair. And no, I haven't used heat in my hair since 2017, so it's not heat damage. It's just different hair type curls, however you might call it. Where I realized every time I use the oil, my hair starts to get white. I guess the oil doesn't work well with the grapeseed collection, even though it's from the same company. So I stopped using it because I didn't like that white look. As you can see, without the oil, it looks more juicy and defined and not white. So one pump, one. You always focusing on Carl's daughter, and Carl's daughter now focus on you. Come off of that, focus on me, Krissy, Kurly Krissy, and I could put it in a bun. Stop. All right, last scoop. So cascade it. You think you slick? Take my money and I take these. So now I'm doing this technique just to get my curls to come together. So I'm just shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Whoa. It could be side part, it could be middle part, it could be bangs. Whatever you want it to be. Girl, your hair grew. Your hair grew so much in just 8 months. Yeah, your hair grew a lot. So I don't have to use the slick. I'm gonna have to use the slick. I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Slicked Flexible Styling Glue from the Grapeseed collection on my edges. Okay, so a little goes a long way. So I'm trying to use too much, just a tad bit. I'm gonna be putting it on my edges like this. It's not as bad as I ever, listen, just using a little bit more. All right, stop. Oh, okay. Ooh, girl, yes. Yeah, just that's it, that's it. Alright, KK Squad, so I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours and then I'll be back. I love the growth of my hair. Look at myself. I didn't get a chance to use the Shine Boss Sheen Mist on camera, but in the mornings I use a little on my hair just to refresh my curls. So it's 3 hours later, still not dry, but just felt like coming on here to show you guys. So as you can see, after using the jelly, the mousse and everything, my hair is still super soft moving around. It's not hard. So those are some really good products. I'm doing this and it smells so good. And the shrinkage is disrespectful.